Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy lassi. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, plain yogurt, some milk, and sugar. You can also add fruits like mango or berries or flavoring such as cardamom. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin for the best texture and taste. Now, let's blend the base. Pour about 1 cup of plain yogurt into your blender. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend these ingredients on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and a little frothy. Taste and adjust the sugar if needed. This is where you can get creative with flavors. If you're making a mango lassi, add about 1/2 cup of chopped mango to the blender now. For a spiced lassi, a pinch of cardamom powder works wonderfully. Blend again for another minute until everything is well combined and smooth. For an extra cold and thick lassi, add a few ice cubes and blend briefly. Your delicious, creamy lassi is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite serving glasses. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish with a fresh mint leaf, a sprinkle of chopped pistachios, or a dash of cardamom powder. This refreshing drink is perfect for any time of day. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade lassi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.